We're excited to be here installing the Udderly Cold machine that is going to provide delicious cold milk to over 400 student athletes here at Texas Tech.
We go through a lot of milk, being in a sports nutrition setting. So a lot of our athletes use that as a recovery product, just to grab regular milk, chocolate milk to drink. It has a great ratio of carbs and proteins. We also use it for cereals, smoothies, we use yogurt, cottage cheese, just a bunch of whole food dairy sources.
The machine actually, it has a chiller that is in a walk-in cooler that then has lines that feed into the machine in another part of the facility. So it's going to keep milk at ideal temperatures. It's going to provide perfect portion controls every single time that somebody pushes the button, and it's going to make the milk tasting experience superior to the student athletes.
We go through lots of milk, lots of chocolate milk, especially breakfast, the half pints, cereals, things like that. So we go through a good amount of milk.
Nutrition for us is one of the main keys to everything that we do. There's something every day that's built into our team meetings and into our culture about being a pro, taking care of your body.
The great thing about chocolate milk specifically, it has the added carb and the sugar from the chocolate addition. So what that does too is it helps with glycogen replenishment. So when our athletes, they always think protein, which of course they do need for their muscle rebuilding, but also the glycogen storage and that energy store in their muscles, it's really helpful to have that added carb.
You look at high performing athletes, one of the biggest things, the advantage that they have whenever they perform at an elite level is what they're putting in their bodies.
We're just excited to be able to be an intermediary between our amazing dairy farm families that provide this product directly to processors that then are able to bring it to these student athletes and help them be at peak performance.
The community, being able to meet actual farmers who help supply the actual milk that is going into fueling our athletes is just huge.
That's the best thing about Texas Tech, and that's our alumni base, and that's what's really cool about being a part of this family is they truly care about their university. And coming in here and putting this system in, it's going to help us so much. Our athletes are going to be able to perform at such a high level, but them to be so close, being able to be here and get to see the games and really being a part of West Texas. You know, you have former students, you have the alumni base that we have, and giving back to this university. You know, I guarantee you they bleed red and black. It's a great day to be a Red Raider, man. Wreck 'em.